A modern design for a modern guy. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, welcome back for another Fun Day Sunday Watch Face review. I hope you guys have had the greatest weekend ever. I know it's time to get the relax on because we got to get ready for the Monday grind, people. But I got a watch face that's going to help start off the work week. Now, this watch face is coming from DXS Studio. If you don't know this guy gets down on some luxury, unique watch faces, and he's the same guy that created MTH0017. If you have not downloaded this watch face, you got to check this one out in the Gear Manager store. It is totally off the charts, and it is worth its weight in gold. Now, the watch face that we're about to review today is called MTH0040. It's a nice looking, unique, modern design. And in the AOD mode, you're going to pretty much get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. For the Gears 2, you're going to get a slightly different look, but yet you'll still be able to get your information at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, I really like the hint of blue in this design. Really brings the design out. And this is pretty much going to be an energy saving watch face for the most part as well, for those of you all who are looking to get the most out of your battery life. Now, for those of you all who still want to keep up with your step status info, DXS has you on this one. So you're going to get your heart rate information, miles walked or ran, you're going to get your date, digital time. Now you get the best of both worlds because you get analog and digital. You're going to get your step status info, calories burned, floors climbed, and your battery percentage down at the bottom. And it is interactive, so if you need to go further into that particular application, you can get your heart rate information. You can tap on your steps, it'll take you into that, so therefore you can get more of your step status info. If I could tap on this right. There you go. And you can go in and see how you've done for the week. This is not a bad look so far as a modern, unique watch face is concerned. Me, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up in the door. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you all are getting your relax on, getting ready for the Monday grind. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. I'll see you at the next one.